Xiaomi has officially announced the 17T and 17T Pro, the latest entries in its upper mid-range T series for the global market. The Pro is available in deep blue, deep violet, and black. The Pro variant may feature a metal frame. The Xiaomi 17T Pro will get a 6.83-inch OLED screen with a refresh rate of 144 Hz. It is said to be powered by the Dimensity 9500 SoC. Include 12GB RAM with storage options of 256GB and 512GB. Feature a triple rear setup with a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens offering 5x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 32-megapixel camera for selfies. The 17T Pro could pack a 7000 mAh battery with 100W wired charging and up to 50W wireless charging. Xiaomi 17T Pro could be priced at €999. The 17T Pro starts at €899 for 256GB of storage. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.